Alright, good morning, boys. What's up? Today is Friday, September 5th. I made around $1,250 today. Mid ass day, not gonna lie. Like every day, called down my bias to the Discord, said, coming into market open, I am going to be bullish, right? I said, first of all, we're displacing to the upside. We have two bullish 15-minute gaps. I want to see price retrace into the first one and then displace higher to these draws in liquidity. What are these draws in liquidity? Well, let's check it out here. We have all these hourly highs resting above us, which are also 4-hour highs, which are also all-time highs on Nasdaq. A bunch of low resistance liquidity that's clearly waiting to be taken out. Now, what is stopping price from just ripping right now, and why are we just consolidating? Why are we consolidating? What is this bullshit? For starters, I'm pretty sure we had non-farm payroll at 8:30, which caused the market to shift, like just move up and down like 200 points. Terrible price action. Pre-market, I don't like how we ripped so much pre-market. Market should not have been this volatile. On top of that, ES keeps just turtle souping all-time highs. So, yes, the market is consolidating because we are consistently putting S&Ts at all-time highs. So it is hard for Nasdaq to push higher when ES is just turtle souping highs and dumping, right? Think about it that way. Now, what do I see? Despite all this shitty ass price action, at this point in time, price action is pretty good. I got caught up in the chop and made $250. So let's go over my trade recap, my analysis coming to the open. Right, overnight, we tap into this 1-hour gap. Let me just show you guys. Tap into this 1-hour gap, push higher, tap into this 1-hour gap, push higher, create an order block, tap into it, push higher. Or not an order block, sorry, CISD, tap into it, push higher. We're about to tap into a 1-hour FVG actually. Create a 50-minute FVG, tap into it, and we have hourly draws above us. Yes, I know ES is trading on all-time highs, but I am only open to longs, and if we get a good long setup, I'm willing to take it. Highs above us, low resistance liquidity, right? I see a 5-minute order block. Price creates a 5-minute order block, and we have a 5-minute bearish gap. One of my students took this trade and said, why did this fail? If you go long here, for starters, your stop should be down here. Even if it's like negative RR. Your stop should be below swing low, or you take profit up here to make it a 1-to-1, right? The second you see price makes an S&T at your partial or your take profit, you should go break even. So yes, this failed because price made an S&T immediately after we inversed the 5-minute and caused price to dump. What you should have done is gone break even or even take profits for a winning day, right? I'm gonna go over what I saw. I really thought price was going to rip through this 5-minute, maybe even go to this high right here. I ignored the 5-minute. I knew there was a 5-minute. I did not think price was going to respect it whatsoever. Respecting this 5-minute order block, we have a 50-minute fair value gap here, which is also an hourly gap. Now, yeah. But we have this 15-minute gap right here. Right? 15-minute gap and 5-minute order block. What do I see on the 3-minute? Let's get rid of the 5-minute. On the 3-minute, nothing. No fair value gap, no nothing. On the 2-minute, I see a bearish order block. I want to see price close above the bearish order block and give us a 2-minute CISD. When do we close above it? Right here. Obviously a little more displacement than I intended for price to give me. Stops below swing low. TP at the high. Take profit almost got hit too. It would have been so nice. Price really came all the way up here. But got fucked. And I took this trade basically. Price was running. Kept running. When we made the S&T here at all-time highs, this is the original S&T at 849 or 950. Sorry, 950. 950 was the only S&T. 949. When we made this S&T, I trailed my stop to plus $200 for a winning day, and immediately got stopped out. I mean, take profit wouldn't have gotten here regardless, but I probably could have made some more money out of this trade if I'm being honest. Like I literally got stopped out like here. Yeah. Unfortunate, but that's how price moves, right? We took a winning day. Grateful for that. Our accounts are now at $800. I have 5 Express accounts at $800. Obviously, I will update you guys on how far I can take those before I actually get a payout from them. Today, I was planning on getting a big winning day, but price was planning on giving me a big piece of shit of price action, so I couldn't do anything about it. But yeah, trades was based off a 50-minute fair value gap. We respected it. 5-minute order block, even inverse the 5-minute, 2-minute CISD, targeting this internal high. I would take this trade 99, or no, I'm not saying 99, 10 out of 10 times. 10 out of 10 times I am taking this trade. Why did this trade fail? Because ES took all-time highs and made a bearish SMT. 2 times. We made 2 bearish SMTs. Obviously, price is going to consolidate when one index is trading on all-time highs and one is not. So I trailed my stop to plus $200 for a winning day, secured it. Very happy with that. Only need 3 more winning days now before we get a payout. Hopefully that time could be Wednesday for you guys so I can actually show you guys that. That'd be pretty cool. But I will leave a link to my Discord in the bio if you guys are interested. I literally send out my daily buys there every morning. Usually not wrong. Not gonna lie to you. Obviously I'm wrong sometimes. But helping a lot of people out, I'm not gonna lie. Hella people have been getting a shit ton of payouts. Some kid just hit a 10K day, which is fucking crazy. So every fucking day we are changing lives in that Discord. Feel free to join. I'll leave the link in bio. I hope you guys have a great day. If you guys have any questions, just ask me in the comments. I will be there to answer. Have a great day and peace out.